Today, I'll take you on a fascinating journey through the history of the automobile, exploring an extraordinary collection that connects people to the rich cultural diversity of the car. The Savoy Automobile Museum opened its doors in 2021, operated by Georgia Museums, Inc., a nonprofit organization that also manages the Bartow History Museum, the Booth Western Art Museum, and the Telus Science Museum. This world-class museum was founded with the mission of educating and entertaining visitors of all ages, from serious collectors to casual weekend enthusiasts. The history of the name Savoy has its roots in an extraordinary discovery. During excavation for the museum's construction, a 1959 Plymouth Savoy was found buried on the property. This remarkable find not only became a centerpiece of the collection, but also inspired the museum's name. The word Savoy originally comes from the prestigious Savoy Hotel in London, a name Plymouth used to convey affordable elegance in its mid-20th century automobiles. This particular vehicle was available with a 318 CI V8 or an inline-six engine, paired with either a 3-speed manual or a torque-flight automatic transmission. The four-door sedan embodied Chrysler's forward-look design, featuring its distinctive egg crate grille, double-barrel front fenders, and the iconic outward-angled tail fins. Found during the museum's excavation, it stands as a symbol of the affordable elegance Plymouth sought to deliver. The Savoy Automobile Museum's purpose is to connect people with the cultural diversity of the automobile through rotating exhibits, educational programs, and interactive experiences. The museum aims to show how automobiles have influenced society, culture, and technology, showcasing vehicles from different makes, models, and eras that together tell the story of the evolution of transportation. (1903) Oldsmobile Model R Curved Dash Runabout. Year 1903. Engine, single-cylinder horizontal, 5 HP. Transmission, 2-speed chain drive. One of the first mass-produced automobiles in America, famous for its distinctive curved dashboard. It represents the dawn of the U.S. auto industry and the transition from horse-drawn to motorized transport. 1966, Lamborghini R2 Tractor. Year 1966. Engine 4-CYLE. Transmission, synchronized manual. 1970 Lamborghini Miura P400S. Engine 4.0 LV 370 HP. Transmission 5-speed manual. Considered the world's first true supercar, the Miura revolutionized automotive design with its transversely mounted V12 positioned behind the driver. Designed by Marcello Gandini for Bertoni, it remains iconic more than 50 years later. 1937 Cord 812 Beverly. Engine 4.7 L Lycoming V8, 170 HP. Transmission, Projector semi-automatic. Revolutionary for its grille-less design, retractable headlights, and front-wheel drive. The Cord 812 was years ahead of its time, featuring innovations that wouldn't become common for decades. (1918) Locomobile Model 38 touring car. Engine
6.0L inline 6. Transmission, 3-speed manual.
A pre-Depression luxury automobile known for its hand-built craftsmanship and attention to detail, Locomobile competed with the most prestigious brands of its era, representing the pinnacle of early American engineering. (1932) Buick Model 67. Engine, 4.4L inline-8. Transmission, 3-speed manual. During the Great Depression, Buick maintained its reputation for solid construction and reliability. The Model 67 showcased the elegant Art Deco styling of the early 1930s. (1932) Ford Model B pickup truck. Engine, 2.0L inline-4. Transmission, 3-speed manual. Successor to the famous Model A, the Model B introduced Ford's first affordable V8. This pickup represents Ford's transition toward more powerful modern vehicles. (1931) Ford Model A Town Sedan. Engine, 3.3L inline-4, 40 HP. Transmission, 3-speed manual. The final year of the Model A, which replaced the iconic Model T. With over 4 million produced, it democratized automotive transportation in America, offering comfort and style at an affordable price. 1934 Diamond T JXB pickup truck. Engine, INE-6. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Diamond T specialized in rugged commercial vehicles. This two-door pickup represents American industrial engineering, built to endure harsh working conditions. (1956) Continental Mark II. Engine, 6.0L V8, 285 HP. Transmission, 3-speed automatic. Considered one of the most elegant cars ever built in America, the Mark II combined supreme luxury with clean, sophisticated lines. Each was virtually hand-assembled. 1939 Graham Shark Nose. Engine, supercharged inline-6. Transmission, 3-speed manual. Famous for its distinctive shark nose front design, this was one of the first American cars to use production supercharging, delivering exceptional performance for its era. (1964) Lancia Flavia PF Coupe. Engine, 1.8L flat 4. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Designed by Pininfarina, this Italian coupe blended Lancia's engineering sophistication with timeless Italian style. Its flat 4 engine and front-wheel drive were advanced for the time.
1949, Packard Monte Carlo Super 8 convertible. Engine 5.9 L inline-8. Transmission 3-speed manual. Packard was synonymous with American luxury. This convertible represents the brand's post-war revival, combining traditional elegance with modern innovations like torsion bar suspension. (1969) Chevrolet Camaro RS/Z28. Engine 5.0L 302 CI. V8 290 HP. Transmission 4-speed manual. Created specifically for Trans Am racing, the Z28 featured a high revving engine and sport suspension, representing the peak of the American muscle car era. (1967) Plymouth Barracuda Coupe. Engine 4.5L 273 CI. V8. Transmission 3-speed manual. Introduced just before the Mustang, the Barracuda is considered part of the first generation of pony cars. Its wraparound rear window and sporty lines made it an instant icon. 1927 Studebaker President Limo. Engine INE-8. Transmission 3-speed manual. The President series was Studebaker's top luxury line. This limousine embodies the elegance of the Roaring '20s, with handcrafted build quality and refined interiors. (1933) Rockne 10 passenger model. 31. Engine IE-6. Transmission 3-speed manual. A brand created by Studebaker and named after famed football coach Knut Rockne. This 10 passenger model was popular for taxi and commercial transport during the Depression. (1950) Studebaker Champion Convertible. Engine 2.8L inline-6. Transmission 3-speed manual with overdrive. The Champion helped Studebaker survive the Depression with its efficient, economical design. This convertible embodies post-war optimism with its fresh, modern styling. 1983 Pontiac Trans Am HO. Year 1983. Engine 5.0L 305 CIE. V8 190 HP. Transmission 4-speed automatic or 5-speed manual. The final year of the second generation Trans Am, made famous by Knight Rider. The HO high-output package delivered the highest performance available in an era of strict emissions regulations. The Savoy Automobile Museum is not just a collection of vintage cars. It's a testament to human innovation, artistic design, and technological evolution that has shaped over a century of automotive history. From the humble 1903 Oldsmobile to the iconic 1980s Trans Am, every vehicle tells a unique story about its era, its creators, and the people who drove it. Located just an hour from Atlanta in Cartersville, Georgia, the Savoy Automobile Museum continues its mission to connect people with the rich cultural diversity of the automobile through rotating exhibits, educational programs, and experiences that bring history to life. We invite you to visit the Savoy Automobile Museum and see for yourself these incredible machines that have helped shape our world. Because here at Savoy, every car has a story to tell.